We're at Jaya night food market right now, and honestly it's buzzing. It's like popping off. There's so many people here. It's 10 o'clock at night and it is lively. It's in Mount Arthur, and honestly we haven't found anything similar to this during our stays here. There is a bit of a language barrier, so we have been trying to ask the locals if there's anything similar to this, but so far not successful at all. But we got some goodies. We got a mango smoothie.
All right, we got the Sambo Pipi. This was like
Pipi.
Sambo Pipi. It's 14 ringgit. Really cheap. We got some lok lok. These are typical Malaysian street food. So it's 1 ringgit per stick, which is cheap. Which is like
It's like 36 cents.
yeah, 36
Australian?
cents per stick. So we didn't want to grab too much because we don't want to be full from this. And we got
It's like tom yum and rice.
yeah, tom yum and rice.
We thought it was gonna be like fried rice, tom yum flavor, like nasi goreng. I think it's like a fish cake.
Pip is good. Oh my god, there's a lot. Look at that. Look how much fish cake there is. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, we're trying bak kut teh for the first time. We were actually meant to try this out on our
First trip.
first trip at the start of the year, but
However, there were so many other dishes, especially in this hot climate. I didn't want something soup based, especially. But today I just got to do it. Get over and done with. It's not bad. It's pretty good. It's unique.
unique.
It's something that my dad would like.
Unique in what way?
Very herbal.
So it tastes like how it looks, you
Yeah.
reckon? That's nice. It's sweet. This is so good.
Would you get again?
Yeah, this is yum. Next up on our JB trip, we went to visit Plateau DIY, where we got to customize t-shirts and a cute little outfit for our puppy. We are currently obsessed with Labubus, so we got some Labubus done, and we got Ken for our little dog as well. JB honestly has so many cute crafty things to do, so if you're ever in the city, make sure to check them out because there's so many hidden gems here. And next up on our agenda is Kacha in Eco Palladium, a self-photo booth. You have been warned, this place gets packed. It's so busy and it's so popular, but for good reason. You've got 6 minutes and you get to take these high quality professional photo shots in there yourself. You've got this little button where you can take photos, and it's honestly such a good time. There's nice props out there that you can choose to wear, and look how cute the photos came out. We're at Chao Lao Dim Sum at KSL having a breakfast feed.
Yeah, it's quite late as well, but it's more like brunch.
Yeah, I had some work to do at the Airbnb, so we're a bit delayed in breakfast, but hey, we got there.
Oh, this is the Szechuan wonton.
We got some hakao. I feel like you can't eat yum cha if you don't order this. We got the staples, we got hakao. We got some siu mai, chicken feet here,
And fried
bean
bean
curd.
curd.
What's this?
Wonton,
Wonton.
Szechuan oil.
Look at it, it's like drenched in sauce.
This is
Like a real pot. Okay, we got some steamed rice rolls too, and fried bean curd. We're having a late night feed at a restaurant called Syed Ali, and I ordered some Maggi noodles
chicken, yeah?
with ayam, some roti,
Roti.
and nasi kandar. We wanted to try some nasi kandar out for our last trip, but we didn't get the chance to, so we're trying it now. It's like this restaurant is outside this like market that closes at 2 in the morning,
But
and
this restaurant's 24/7.
yeah, this is really flavorful. Like, right, last night I ordered some wonton mee, and I was a bit disappointed because like I think they served it without sauce. Yeah, like I ate it and it just tasted like plain noodles. So I'm pretty happy that this is like stocked with flavor. Yeah.
Roti with egg. Nasi kandar is a mixture of curries with different flavors, such as like I've got the beef, the fish curry, chicken curry, all in one go.
The main thing that makes this like dining experience really good is that like just outside where the market is, it's like they're playing like a bunch of like club music. The vibe is so high, and it just makes the whole experience much better because everyone's just so happy and having a good time.